Hello everyone, this is Team Novel's channel, and in this video I will show you how you can set custom ringtones on Samsung Galaxy M51. So before starting this video, if you are new on this channel, just don't forget to subscribe and let's start our video without wasting any time. So if you want to set custom ringtone on Samsung Galaxy M51, just follow every single step as I am showing you in this video.